Hi guys, welcome back to our YouTube channel. So in this video tutorial, I'm going to show you on how to use Bench Boost in Fantasy Premier League. Okay, so the first thing that you'll need to do is just type out Fantasy Premier League and then click on the search bar or the search icon. Then click on this first link and then log into your account. So now just click on the Fantasy, that one, then click on Fantasy. Now just click on the pick team. That's right. And then scroll down until you see this option, the bench boost. Look at this one. So just click on the play. Okay. So you can now see or just wait until it's done. So just click on save your team and then you will then just have to wait right after that. Okay. And if you accidentally canceled the bench boost, then you will then just have to click on restore. Okay, so for example, like this, then just click on restore. Okay, so that's it. Don't forget to subscribe to our YouTube channel for more video tutorials in the future. Bye bye.